The gut microbiome has become one of the most fascinating areas of modern health research, and for good reason. It behaves almost like an internal ecosystem that quietly influences everything from energy levels to emotional balance. When people talk about the gut microbiome, they're referring to the trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms that live primarily in the large intestine. Far from being harmful, most of these microbes work with the body in a highly cooperative way, shaping digestion, nutrient absorption, and even how the immune system responds to threats. What's especially remarkable is that this ecosystem begins forming the moment a person is born and continues evolving throughout life. Early diet, exposure to different environments, and even the first solid foods help determine which microbial species take root. Over time, the microbiome becomes more diverse and stable, which is often associated with better resilience and overall health. Research increasingly shows how powerfully this microbial community influences immunity. Nearly 70% of immune cells sit around the gastrointestinal tract, forming a tight communication network with the microbes that live there. Healthy bacteria help train the immune system to distinguish harmless particles, like food proteins, from actual pathogens. This cooperative relationship reduces chronic inflammation and may even lower the risk of autoimmune issues. Scientists are now discovering that certain gut microbes produce natural metabolites that help regulate inflammation and support the protective mucus layer that lines the intestine. When this relationship is functioning smoothly, people tend to feel more energized, experience more stable digestion, and have a stronger immune response to everyday viral exposures. The gut microbiome also plays a surprisingly central role in metabolism. Many microbes specialize in breaking down dietary fibers into short-chain fatty acids that nourish intestinal cells, support metabolic flexibility, and even help regulate appetite hormones like GLP-1. A balanced gut community can support healthier blood sugar responses and may even play a role in maintaining a healthy weight over time. Researchers studying metabolic health have consistently found that microbial diversity correlates with how efficiently the body processes carbohydrates and fats. Although the microbiome doesn't override lifestyle habits, it significantly boosts the efficiency of systems the body already relies on. Of course, this delicate community can be disrupted by everyday factors, though the encouraging part is that most disruptions are reversible. A highly processed diet low in fiber tends to reduce microbial diversity, while high intake of added sugars can feed less beneficial strains. Antibiotics, while often necessary, can temporarily wipe out large portions of the microbiome, causing short-term digestive changes. Chronic stress, poor sleep, and even inactivity have also been shown to influence microbial patterns through hormonal and inflammatory pathways. Yet the body shows a remarkable ability to recover. Within days of increasing fiber intake, adding more colorful plant foods, or integrating fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, or kombucha, the microbiome begins shifting toward a more beneficial balance. Physical activity and stress management practices such as meditation also appear to strengthen gut-brain communication, which further supports microbial stability. Current research continues to uncover new ways the microbiome affects well-being. Scientists are exploring how certain strains may improve mood through the gut-brain axis, how personalized nutrition might be tailored to an individual's microbial profile, and how targeted probiotics or prebiotics could support specific areas of health. The overall theme emerging from this field is incredibly optimistic. The gut microbiome is adaptable, responsive, and capable of profound improvements when given the right nourishment. Rather than being something mysterious or fragile, it behaves like a living partner in health, one that thrives with simple, everyday choices.